is Janika. I am your German teacher. Welcome to the Male German article part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, please watch part 1. It is important. So let's start with part number 2. In the last video we learned how to define nouns by their suffix, or at least male nouns by their suffix. So today what we do is a little bit different. We have a look at groups which are male, like semantic groups. The first most important group for male nouns are official job titles, of course. Like in English it's like the teacher, and it doesn't matter if the teacher is male or female. In German language it does matter. So example giving: Der Lehrer is a male teacher, or der Mechaniker is a male